Hi everybody, good morning. Today let us make something different, something tasty, something yummy. Beginning of the week. Today is the first Monday of the fourth week. So let us make something delicious, yummy. I had bought some baby corns and some mushrooms the other day. So I'm going to use these, some baby corns, some shimla mirchi, capsicum, onion leaves, then mushrooms, then spring leaves, then spring onion leaves, some green chilies, garlic, then I've got some palak leaves, I've got some ajwain pattas. So I'm going to make use of all these vegetables and come up with something very delicious and yummy which the kids as well as the elderly will love. So let us make fritters, vegetable fritters. Now for fritters I require all these Asian vegetables and I require maida, all-purpose flour, little bit of corn flour, soya sauce, chili sauce, and I will require lemon juice, and also for seasoning I will require Maggi all-purpose seasoning, that is vegetable masala seasoning, and oil for frying. Let us begin with the procedure. Let us prepare batter to make fritters. This is 1 small cup of maida. To this I will add 1 tablespoon of corn flour and little bit of rice flour. These are all the 3 flours that I have added. Now let me add some soya sauce to this. Around 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of sweet chili garlic sauce. We have added soya sauce 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of sweet chili garlic sauce, Maggi masala 1 packet. I have taken the one which you get in noodles. You get cubes also. I have taken the noodles ka masala, vegetarian. And now I am going to add little salt and pepper and then slowly add water and make a thick batter. Now I am going to add juice of 1 lemon. You can even add 1 teaspoon of vinegar if you want. It's up to you. I prefer lemon. See how thick, this is how thick the batter has to be because it has to coat the vegetables properly. Now add oil to the pan and keep it on gas on medium flame. When it becomes slightly hot, start adding the vegetables to it, dipped in this batter. See, I have mixed all the vegetables in the batter. Now slowly one by one I am going to put them in the oil. Put one by one in oil and keep the flame medium. You can use any cooking oil that you use in your house to cook, or you can even use sesame oil. Keep on turning them over until they are nicely done. The dark color is because of soya. You can use if you don't want, you can just put a drop of soya sauce. Soya basically gives it color and taste. Basically fritters are pakoras. We make them in besan, and this is a Chinese Asian dish, so it is made in corn flour, maida and little bit of rice flour I have added from my side to give it a little Indian touch. Now I have sprinkled little spring onion on it. It is extremely crispy and very tasty. I am frying up some potatoes to keep on the side so that it is filling one pot dish, and you can eat it with rice or noodles. You can top the rice and noodles with these fritters and potatoes and make a complete meal, or you can serve it as a snack also. I am frying some potatoes and 1 onion also. Some chili garlic sauce. Now I will add some cheese sauce. The potatoes out on a piece of cloth and then fold the cloth and flatten them with something heavy, and again fry them for 1-2 minutes. Flatten the potatoes with this, and I'm going to refry them. Very tasty snack, vegetable fritters is ready with chili sauce, little bit of soya sauce, and absolutely delicious. If you want to make it more delicious, you can spread a little bit of honey all over. Spread little bit of honey all over. That will make it extremely tasty. Now try this and let me know how it is. It's a very yummy, tasty starter, or you can top it on rice or on noodles. It is absolutely yummy. So my very tasty vegetarian Asian vegetables starter is ready. It is called vegetable fritters. Absolutely crispy, yummy, tasty, delicious. I had this thing in Hong Kong once many years ago, and so I just remembered now that I am making YouTube recipes. So I keep remembering sometimes my grandmother's recipe, sometimes my friend's recipe, and I keep sharing with everybody. Thank you so much for watching my video. Do like, share, comment. Let me know how it is in the comment box. Do try this. It is absolutely yummy, just a yummy dish. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Amita Bagai from Amita's Amazing Kitchen. Thank you so much. Take care. Be careful when you go outside. Try to avoid, stay indoors, enjoy tasty foods, and have a good day. Stay safe and keep smiling always. God bless you. Do not forget to subscribe. Do subscribe to my channel. Serve it hot. You can serve this with chili garlic sauce, or there's no need, just put toothpicks all over and serve it as it is with the tissue paper to hold it. Thank you. God bless you. Have a good day.